Hello Philippines and hello world! Today is a Monday and welcome to another vlog. Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope you're doing great and welcome to another vlog. Okay, I just got out from the shower and this is my bare face. I didn't put anything yet. Today, I'm going to the supermarket to buy some groceries and I'll be meeting some friends probably after that. So, I want to put a little bit of makeup. So, I decided to film this and share with you how I do my light makeup routine. I don't always use makeup, especially if I'm just staying at home to rest my pores, my skin. And with this kind of weather, I will only look like a melting face mannequin person. I don't know. But it's getting colder now here in Bahrain. Like, it's 35 degrees Celsius and humidity is 55%. That's really better compared to the previous weeks and months. So, it's a nice weather. But it's still hot, but it's bearable. Let's do this.
The moisturizer I'm using has SPF 50. I really like it because it's like 3-in-1. Moisturizer, sunscreen, and makeup base at the same time.
So while I wait for the moisturizer to dry, I tend to curl my lashes several times. And I'll be putting on mascara later. Because my lashes are very short and very few. I think you can count them. So I wanted to curl, at least like to prepare them before putting on the mascara.
Now using the concealer, I'm just gonna cover the pimple marks that I have and then cover my eye bags to look a bit fresh. And then put a bit over the bridge of my nose. Using the sponge, just dab it to blend it really well. I really like this compact powder from Flormar because 1, it doesn't turn cakey when I sweat, 2, it doesn't break, and 3, it sticks really well. I brush my eyebrows first because the hair sticks out in every direction, and then I start making few strokes before drawing the rest of my brows, then use the brush to blend. Using the powder on the other end, I just fill in the insides of my brows. Just put some blush over my cheeks and blend it, and a little bit over the nose. More curling of the lashes before I put on mascara. Then a bit of lip balm because my lips are cracking, and then I put lip tint. Then finally, to add a bit of a glam, I put this lip gloss / lip injection from Too Faced.
Okay, so we're done with the makeup. I'll just get changed and prepare. I'll show you the final look. Thank you for watching the whole video. This is my final look and outfit. I'll be posting a photo on my Instagram account. See you again on my next video. It'll be a busy afternoon and I'm ready. Okay.